What I'm presenting today is the Sealy Posturepedic Grande Trundle. This is our best trundle bed. So it's two beds in one. We have the king single here, the Sealy Posturepedic, and then beneath that we have the pull-out single. I'm going to talk about some of the key features of the Posturepedic mattress. So being a Sealy Posturepedic, we have the Posturepedic spring unit with orthopedic support. So great support there, good with anybody with any back issues. And then round the outside we have the very firm uni-cased edge support. I'll just demonstrate that. I'll sit on the side and you'll see I'm sitting on here taking all my body weight, so lovely firm edge, which also gives us a greater sleep surface. Something else you may have noticed is at the front here we've actually got headboard fittings. We've got those at both ends, so which means we can have the bed either left or right hand, so we can have it either way and we can still attach a headboard. Being a high quality Sealy, we have additional support down the side, so we've got a centre leg on the base below, which means it's going to be very, very well supported. What I'm going to show you here is how easy it is to pull out the bed from underneath. So we have a single beneath. I'll pull it out, she flows out nice and easily, out she comes, and here we have a single bed. The great thing with this bed is I can actually sleep it at ground level, so great for young kiddies. Often we'll find that parents will transition kids to a main bed, so from a cot they'll actually use the one beneath. So it's a standard single and there's very little distance to drop, so nice and safe to sleep at that level. And then the other option is we can pop that bed up to a very similar height. Right, here we go, we've popped up the single trundler and we've got securing pins at both ends so that keeps the legs nice and sturdy and straight. And we can now sleep at a normal bed height. The other great thing with this is it's very portable, so we could actually move this and go and pop that in another room, and then we've got the ability to use the bottom of the king single for additional storage. So storage down there, this bed can go to another room. Very, very versatile. The beds themselves are handmade in New Zealand and they come standard with a 10-year warranty.